Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Vijay Singh and I'm here to talk to you about my new book that I've written in conjunction with my Sinhalese Sikhi corps. It's called Raising Spiritual Kids. The inspiration for this book was our time that we spent in education, over 35 years combined, working in a number of different fields, from primary education right up into adults, and the experiences that we gained from there, and also the time that we spent doing seva in forms of camps and workshops, and our exposure to Sikh children. That, and also being a parent of two, I've seen some of the challenges that parents typically face. And in terms of resources, obviously there's lots of mainstream resources for general parenting, but what we found is that there wasn't a huge amount there for Sikh parents. So what this book looks to do is connect the dots between Sikhi resources and parenting strategies, and kind of combine that and creating that positive learning environment in the home.